नाम है बॉबी पुरी और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में। सो फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं आज के टॉपिक की। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो बहुत ही कॉमन टॉपिक है। अगर मैं उस टॉपिक के बारे में आप लोगों को बताऊं तो टॉपिक का नाम है हाउ टू टॉक आउट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन हॉल। किस तरीके से एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के बाहर बात करनी है अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कि हमारा एग्जाम कैसा गया, किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आए, तो किस तरीके से बात करनी है, इंग्लिश में कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे करनी है, ये आपको इस वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। सो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा, आई होप आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी। सो ये शुरुआत करते हैं इस वीडियो के साथ।
Conversation out of examination hall. Hello Ria, how have you done in today's paper?
It's good, but you look sad. What happened?
Oh, I have had a horrible experience this day. The questions frightened me from the very beginning. It was my effort that I could save myself somehow.
I have answered all the questions. To speak the truth, all the questions seem somewhat hard and stiff at the beginning, but I could carry on rather with ease.
Question number 1 and 2 were easy, but question number 8 and 4 were not common to me. Overall questions seemed very hard to me.
I don't think it was that hard. It seemed hard to you because you did not study well owing to your illness. In fact, many questions were there from previous year papers.
Your idea may be wrong or right. I do not know. But it is true that you are a bright student. So your case is different.
Still, the paper as a whole was not so hard to carry 50% marks.
What are you saying? For ordinary students like me, the questions were definitely difficult.
The questions on grammar were very easy. In fact, the topic on which the students have been asked to write an essay was very common.
Do not forget that you are one of the good girls of our class. By the way, I wonder if our examiners ever feel for us.
They are all sensible men. The point is that we neglect our work and so we suffer in the long run. Only our hard work can result in good score.
In this case, I agree with you. However, I'm happy to see that you're very optimistic.
Let's hope for the best and start practicing for the next exam from now on.
Yes, I'll certainly do that. Got to go. Bye. Take care.
सो गाइज, अगर आपको वीडियो हमारा अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और आगे आने वाली वीडियोस के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। थैंक यू गाइज।